If you've got a PS5, you need to make sure that one specific setting is enabled right now so that you can have access to your games anytime, even when PSN servers are down. On February 7th, 2025, PSN servers were down for nearly 24 hours due to a power outage that affected players worldwide. This occurred on a Friday, exactly when most users are looking to wind down and relax over the weekend. You might think that this issue only affects players who want to play online multiplayer games, since single-player adventure games do not require you to be online. That's not how your console works. Even to play single-player adventure games offline, you need to have one specific setting enabled, otherwise you might see a lock icon next to your games. To avoid this, the first thing you want to do is ensure you're logged into the PSN account that owns the games you want to play. Then head over to settings and then go on to user and accounts, and then from here on enable the console sharing and offline play feature. Once you do this, you can play any game purchased on that PSN account offline on your console without worrying about another outage. Keep in mind that you still won't be able to access the online features in these games if PSN servers are down. Nonetheless, this saves you from being stranded on your couch with nothing to do, especially on a snowy or rainy weekend. If you find this video useful, make sure to leave a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.